Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to Resin Bud. The design of this Pooja Thali or platter is not what I wanted to create, but it still looks good, isn't it? What you thought? Don't forget to leave a comment. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Let's take a quick look at all materials. First is silicone mold. I am using agatte shaped mold in 8-inch size. Second, mica powder. I am using 2 shades of mica powders, light and dark. Definitely you can choose any shade and pigment of your choice. Some dry flowers. The flower I am going to use, I have collected them from my own garden. But you can buy them from any art store, online or offline. Pink glitters, pink pyramids, and very last but not the least, some pearl rings, metal ball, tea light holder, and Lord Ganesha's face to decor the thali, ya platter. Now I'm mixing the resin. Always follow the instruction given in your resin packaging when mixing resin. The resin I have choose for this project is food contact safe certified. Even all the products in our store which is used to mat with food are all made of food safe certified resin, so that our buyers can use them without worry. Next, dividing resin into 2 equal parts. Again I am using my old mixing cups and then adding a little amount of both shades of mica powders. So here I made a mistake. Actually tried to do some experiment. I mixed my mica with paste pigment and I just thought that it's going to give some sort of shine in color, but that doesn't happen because opacity of color is opaque, and this little mistake has completely changed the outcome. After mixing the color well, it's time to pour. Now I'm starting pouring the color from the ends of the mold and leaves the center clear. After pouring the colored resin, now we'll pour the clear resin in the center of the mold in a one go. Oh no, as you can see, my resin is running towards the one side because of my uneven level. So this is also the one of my mistakes which have ruined my design. It's really my bad day when I'm creating this Pooja platter. So it's okay. We will try to make it. Now I am using heat gun to give some movement to my resin. Now I am making some swirling design with the help of bamboo sticker. You can use toothpick stick too. I have added my flowers and I am arranging them in a circle shape. I'm pushing them a little bit in resin. Now we'll place it in a dust-free area to cure. If you like watching our videos and interested in watching more resin art videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you will always get the notification whenever we upload. Now it's the second day and our resin is ready to pour the second layer. I have taken a small amount of resin and adding some chunk glitters, some fine glitters, and little bit of pyramids. Now just going to give it a good mix, and after that we'll pour it in a center of my mold. So again I'm having some leveling problem. I have tried to adjust my level by adding a stick beneath my mold. Now I am pouring my clear resin and cover the whole mold. If you recreated any of our design, then don't forget to share it with us. After that, I will place it in a dust-free area to cure. So this is the final look. Although it is not what I wanted to make, but it still look good. If you like our video, please hit the like button.